So guess what? Guess what I did today? Guess? You're wrong. I dyed my hair.
I can't reveal.
She's a stripper. It's her night job.
Get a promotion?
Maybe.
She got a promotion!
Who were those weird girls?
Christian Beatles, my homie. He was cute. He probably texted me back. Because Justin Bieber's so hot. Or Taylor Lautner. He has a nice body. Okay, my boyfriend. She's not your boyfriend. I don't have one. I just said that.
Me neither. We're single.
Yeah, single lady right here. She's hugging her cat's butt. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, 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 ay.
Hi, we're gonna call back, and he's probably not gonna answer. If he answers, he's gonna be grassy.
He can walk like a man too. Oh god.
No, that's inappropriate.
Come on. Oh my god, she's gonna.
Crop.
Ew. Cute.
Alright.
She wishes she was black like me.
I'm drinking milk. Answer phone. 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 Not answering your phone. Answer 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 your phone. She's not answering.
I thought
Seth, you didn't answer your phone. Answer your phone. You're probably sleeping and we're probably annoying the heck out of you. So call us back. Okay, bye. He didn't answer his phone. How rude is that?
oh, Justin Bieber.
He would say that. I was texting my ex-boyfriend, and I think he fell asleep because it's 12:30 in the morning. She doesn't like him. She doesn't like him at all. She's need that homie G.
Homie G. Don't watch her. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry about this.
Side past the moon to the galaxy.